Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to take the time to recognize some bomb ass makeup brands that just happen to be black owned. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face, and then I'm going to jump into my brows using the Mented Cosmetics Brow or Later brow pencil. I'm going to zoom through the brow process just because I recently uploaded an in-depth eyebrow tutorial, and you can check that out after you watch this video. So to carve those out, I am going to use the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 12, and I'm just going to carve my brows as well as use that as an eyeshadow base. Now that my base is set, I'm going to jump into the Tribe palette by Juvia's Place. I just put this clip in for good humor because actually I ended up not using this color up top. I used it down below. I just messed my eyeshadow up because honestly I forgot how to do it. It's been so long since I've done my makeup. But I am going to take that orange shade from the Tribe palette called Oramo, and I'm going to pop that into my inner corner and just kind of blend that towards the center of my lid. Now taking Zane from the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush palette, I'm going to pop that into my outer corner and also blend it towards the center. For the next several clips, you're pretty much just going to see me reinforce each color and then use a clean brush or the same brush to blend them out. Now that I have the color payoff and the gradient that I like, I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the outer edges. And then I'm going to go back to that dark green shade that I was originally using. It's called Sand, and I'm going to smudge that on my lower lash line. Using a pencil brush, I'm going to take a light green shade from the palette called Tootsie, and I'm just going to smudge that towards the inner corner, and I'll show Tootsie to you guys later. For foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and I am in the shade 420. And using a large but slightly dense powder brush, I'm just going to blend that out. I was actually surprised by this foundation. The word hydrating did make me a little bit nervous just because my foundation almost always gets oily and transfers. Now, I did do my makeup at like 1 o'clock in the morning, so I have not done a wear test with it yet, but I definitely like the finish of it. So right here, I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face, and I'm using that same Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer to do so. I'm just using a flat concealer brush to spread that in the places that I want it. And then I'm going to take the same foundation brush that I was using before to blend the edges. And then I'll follow up with a contour brush to press and buff it in place. To lock that in place, I'm going to set it with the Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder in the shade Plantain. I'm going to tap and dust it over the areas I want it using a brush first, and then I'm going to use a sponge to bake. Here's that light green shade Tootsie that I went in with earlier. I'm just going to dust that over my lower lash line again, just where I lost some of that color with the baking powder. I'm also going to go back and reinforce those lid shades because while I want this look to be soft, I definitely want the eyeshadow to pop. For bronzing and contouring, I'm going to go in with the shade Neo from the blush palette. And y'all, let me just mention right here, I am so sorry that I be like blocking the camera or blocking my face with my hand mirror. I guess sometimes I just don't realize it when I'm filming that I'm cutting half my face off while I'm doing my makeup, because I do like to get close to my mirror typically, but I will work on that when I'm filming in the future. I'm going to use the shade Chaga as my highlighter today, and I'm going to just hit the high points of my cheekbones with that, and also just kind of dust it over high points of my face where I think the sun will touch. So we're going in with more Mented Cosmetics for the lips. I'm going to go in with their lip pencil in the shade Night. And this lip pencil, y'all, it glides so good. A lot of times I can't get a lip pencil that will glide as smoothly as this one, and it's retractable. So yeah, they definitely were on point with this one. And then we're going to top that off with their Dope Taupe semi-matte lipstick. And I really like Mented Cosmetics lip products. They have beautiful nude shades for brown skin girls. It was really hard for me to even choose which shade I wanted because I wanted all of them, and they're very soft on the lips. I'm just going to dust away any excess baking powder that's left behind on my face, and then I'm going to pop my lashes on off camera because I also uploaded an in-depth eyelash application tutorial. These lashes are from Amethyst Stone, also a black-owned company that I'll link in the description box down below. We're going back to Beauty Bakery to set everything, and this is their Sweet Grace baking spray. I think my nozzle is clogged, that's why I was spraying off to the side right here, but now it's working. I like the aerosol style setting sprays because they don't leave dry water particles on your face. This is the final look, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a heart in the comment section if you find this look beginner friendly and think it's something that you can duplicate. And also, if you do recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'll insert my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen so you can easily find me on there and follow me. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already and click the notification bell. And I'll see y'all in my next video.